Hello everyone, welcome to today's webinar. I'm Ava, International Support Engineer from SuperGIS. Today we are going to talk about SuperGIS Server and teach you how to publish online GIS data and service effortlessly by using SuperGIS Server. During today's webinar, if you have any question, please feel free to raise your hand and ask. We will collect all the problems and answer it in the Q&A time at the end. Okay, this is the outline for today's webinar. Firstly, we will introduce fully new interface of SuperGIS Server. We got two parts for publish a map service and application. After that, here are 4 examples to demonstrate for creating a website for map service. I also include the marks here. For the difficulties, we will start from the easiest one, match up with OpenStreetMap. And then the second one, to publish a map with geoprocessing function like buffer analysis. For the third and the fourth one, they are more advanced and related to the extensions like spatial analysis and network analysis. For these two kinds of service, you will need to have a standard edition or above of our SuperGIS server. After the quick demo for the 4 examples, we will have Q&A time at the end. We will compile all the problems and answer it for you. Now, we firstly take a quick look on the brand new SuperGIS server. The first question is, who can connect to the map services? From the figure here, this one, we can see that either from mobile, desktop, or web client, they all can use the map service which is published by our SuperGIS server. Take Android device again. For example, for mobile part, users can use our mobile solution, SuperServe, to connect to the map service in the field to do the surveying, and then send the results back to the cloud system, synchronized with the data itself. It's simple, accurate, and effective. Okay, back to the very beginning when publish a map service. Users will need to prepare the GIS data by themselves. The data need to use our SuperGIS desktop to create a project file, SGD file. Then the map can be published. More information can be referred in the help manual. It's in the creating the map for web map service part. About the steps for how to install SuperGIS server, you can refer to our SuperGIS TV on YouTube. Now, I just start from launching SuperGIS Server Manager. If this is the first time to use SuperGIS Server Manager, please be careful to type in the username and the password. It will become the administrator for the SuperGIS server. So, enter the username and the password to log in. We come to the home page of SuperGIS Server Manager. In our Server Manager, there are 2 parts, service and application. We take a look on the service part first. The 2 rectangles are belong to the service part. Here is a link, this one, for quick operation for publish a whole new map service. As for the other 2, either click on this one or the other in a headline this. It will lead you to an interface to manage the map service. Now, the picture illustrates the interface of managing map services. All of the map services we had published before will be listed in here. And the type of the map service, like is it a cache service, or does it editable, or does it include a process, will all be shown in this page. If we want to create a new map service, we can click on this add icon as well. Okay, that's the service part in SuperGIS Server Manager. For the application part, the application part means to create a website to display the map service. So, after the application has been created, we can open the GIS Manager and to find the website to view the map service by web browser. In this page, as the same, there are also 3 functional links. This one, the quick application creation, is to create a simple Ultra website, which can be customized by JavaScript. After clicking on other 2 links, this one and the other in the headline, it will start from here. If you want to apply other kinds of API, like Flex or Silverlight to customize afterwards, or create a website which is in OGC or KML format, all of these flexibilities can be chosen in this page. Now, I think the basic idea of the interface of SuperGIS Server Manager is introduced. If you want to know more about the detailed steps for publishing map service and creating website, you can refer to our SuperGIS TV. Let's go further to the next topic. The first example is to show you how to mesh up with your own GIS data with OpenStreetMap. In this figure, I prepared only for point and polygon feature here. It shows the administrative area and populated city in Middle East. At the same time, I used OpenStreetMap as a base map to display to make it look like more delicate and showing more information like roads and topography. How do I create such a beautiful map? Allow me to show you as following. Before the demonstration in live, there are a few key points that we should pay attention to. The first one is the coordinate system. In the preparation in the SGD file, we need to set the coordinate system as Web Mercator. It is so important because this is the one used by OpenStreetMap. If we do not switch to Web Mercator, our GIS data we prepared could not overlay with OpenStreetMap correctly. Second, we should publish as a cache service. Then the map service can be fit with the certain scales that OpenStreetMap has. The third key is setting for scales that OpenStreetMap assigns. In this version, SuperGIS Server Manager has created a prototype for users. From this drop-down menu, choose the Google.xml and click on Load icon. Then the scales will be loaded automatically. As for the last one, we need to do some modification on the HTML file after we create a web application. I will explain this in detail later. To sum up the procedures and the key points mentioned above, here are the steps to follow. First step, set coordinate system to Web Mercator in the SGD file. Then save it, remember the path you saved this file. After that, start SuperGIS Server Manager and log in to add a new map service and configure the contents of the SGD file like the boundary of the map. Remember, setting the map service as a cache service. Also, must set for certain scale. We can use the google.xml to load the all scale definitions. Next is to create an application. We can use the simple one, Ultra website. For the last step, modification, we can firstly copy to a new HTML file, and then in the help menu, there is a hint to show you how to add some code in the HTML file. There are two parts. One is in the top of the code here. It means to quote from OpenStreetMap. Second, the contents in the rectangle here must be added to the corresponding paragraph in the HTML file. Okay, now let we move to the live demo part to show to directly with all the steps in our SuperGIS server.